Okay.
Mm,
So today we will see bill of material.
mm,
Okay. Bill of material.
okay.
So uh, what is meant by a bill of material? I think you might be knowing. You might have idea.
Mm,
Like bill of material are the components or the spare parts. Components or spare parts that we will assign
mm,
to a material. ఇప్పుడు let's say you have uh, bill of material basically applies in three areas, three modules. One is in SD module, one is in
mm,
PP module, one is in plant maintenance module, PM module.
mm, mm,
Okay. So basically there are three kinds of bill of materials. So
mm,
one is material BOM, one is equipment BOM,
mm,
one is functional location BOM.
mm,
Okay. So what is a material BOM? So metal bomb most widely used in production planning. Okay, because in production planning module, you
mm,
what we will do, we will manufacture the finished goods. Correct? We will manufacture the finished goods. So in order to manufacture the finished goods, we need what raw materials,
mm,
right? So wait, I'll put some yeah. So in order to manufacture the finished goods, we need raw materials to manufacture the finished goods,
mm,
to manufacture the FG. So let us take an example of let's say we have a company in which we manufacture. Let us assume uh, chocolate. Okay,
mm,
Kit Kat chocolate. So Kit Kat chocolate is my finished good.
mm,
So in order to manufacture Kit Kat chocolate, what are all I need? I need milk. So I need sugar.
mm,
I may need choco.
mm.
So these are all what? These are all the raw
Raw
material.
materials. Mm,
So how system will understand that what are the materials uh, that a user needed in order to manufacture chocolate. So we need to tell the system that see these are all the three raw materials that are needed.
mm,
So that is the
mm.
reason we assign that raw materials in T code what CS01.
Okay.
Yeah, in CS01 is the T code where we will create a bill of material. For what? Create bill of material for material.
Okay.
Metal bomb. This is a metal bomb. Okay. So the T code is CS01. Very important T code.
Okay. Okay.
Will be widely using. Even PP guys will be widely using this T code. CS01. Okay.
Okay.
And uh, what is equipment bomb now? So
Mm,
equipment bomb. Wait, yeah. In equipment bomb, we will let us take. We have a equipment called gearbox. Okay.
mm,
Gearbox is my equipment. In this gearbox, I may have multiple sub components. What are those components? I'll have gears,
yeah. Mm.
have shaft,
Coupling. Mm,
I'll have shaft, I'll have couplings, I'll have bearings.
mm,
So These components are applicable for the equipment called gearbox, right?
mm,
Yeah. So these components we will maintain in T code IB01. This is
mm,
for the create. Create what? Equipment bomb.
okay.
Create equipment bomb. Okay. In the same way, function location bomb. So
Mm,
what is a function location bomb? So there can be chances where we may need to also assign few of the components for the function location itself. Let us take an example. Yours is a utility area.
mm,
This is a flock. So for this functional location called utility area,
mm,
what bill of materials you might be needing? You might be needing what this uh, for utility area we will be mainly doing this cleaning and all, right? So
mm,
might be needing high pressure water gun. Okay,
mm,
and you may also need some disinfectants
mm,
liquids. Okay, you may also need some air compressor there.
mm,
So these are all the bill of material again for the functional location. So what is the
mm,
T code to create a bill of material for the flock IB31?
mm,
You're understanding, right? Create
yeah.
flock bomb. Okay.
Mm,
Basically, in a plant maintenance, we will be widely using all these three T codes in order to create bill
mm,
of materials. Now, there are also a few concepts called PM assembly, maintenance assembly. I will show you what is PM assemblies, what are maintenance assemblies, and everything. Okay, but
mm,
basic the concept for the reason we create a bill of material is we will system need to understand whenever we are doing a creating a maintenance order
mm,
for the equipments or for the functional location. System must know what are all the spare parts that system need to issue. Correct.
okay.
So that is the reason we will tell the system initially itself that these are all the bomb. So that is the reason we create a bomb and will assign the bomb. Okay. So now, actually, that is the main basic funda of a bomb. But
Okay.
there are also few configs that we can do in the bill of material. So we will see that what are all the configs that we can do. Okay. See, if you want to like the easy way path to go to the bill of material is logistics,
Mm,
plant maintenance, maintenance of technical objects, bill of material,
mm,
functional location bomb, create,
mm.
equipment bomb, create, uh, material bomb,
Big.
create.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. So, first we'll go for equipment bomb. Sorry, a metal
Okay.
bomb. Metal bomb. So
Mm,
metal
mm.
bomb T code is what?
CS01.
CS01. Okay. I'll come back. Equipment bomb T code IB01.
Mm.
Functional location bomb T code. Sorry. IB,
IB32.
no, not IB31. Sorry, I was mistake. IB11.
IB11. Huh? Okay. Mm,
11. Okay.
mm,
Okay. Now I will just go directly and create one material bomb. Just I want to show you how the bomb screen looks like and all. So
mm,
this is
okay.
the material bomb screen. Wherever we go in the world, wherever SAP is there, this is the standard
Mm,
screen for material bomb.
okay. Mm.
Okay. No one will change this. This is like this is the standard screen.
Standard.
No one
Okay.
will also recommend to change the screen and all because
Mm,
this is the standard basic screen. So I want to now I am creating a material bomb. Okay, so for creating a
mm,
material bomb, just I will take the list out. I will take the list of what are all the materials I have in my plant.
mm.
So you know this T code MM60.
MM?
MM60.
MM60. Okay.
It
Material
means
list.
in MM60 T code, we will
Mm,
go and find the materials available in my
mm.
plant based on the
Plant. Okay.
material type also.
Mm,
Based on the material type. So now you might get that what is a material type and all is what is a material type. Basically, this material type is a uh, MM concept. MM concept.
okay.
I will tell you what is called what are all called material types and all. So
Mm,
basically, in SAP system, the SAP has provided varieties of material types. What are
mm,
the material types? There can be raw materials, right? There can be
mm.
semi-finished goods. There also can be finished goods.
Finish.
Along with this, as a plant maintenance consultant, we will also uh, look into spare parts.
Mm,
There are also metals known as spare parts, and there are also material types called uh, maintenance assembly. This is also known as PM assembly. Okay, I'll tell you what is exactly assembly is and all. And there are also material types called non-valuated. Okay, there can be also material. These are basically the standard material types that we commonly use in as a.
okay.
So system gave this standard notation for this. Means if you see anywhere ROH, it is known as raw material.
Raw materials.
If you see HLB halb,
Mm,
then it is called semi-finished goods.
okay.
If you see FERT, then
Mm,
it is known as finished goods.
okay.
Spare parts ERSA. ERS very very important material type. Even in interviews
Mm,
they will ask.
mm,
And maintenance assembly IBAU non-valuated and lag.
okay.
So this you need to remember, huh? Because
Okay.
no one will. In generally, in our day-to-day communication with other team members or whoever the client, and all we will say, okay, we will explain him. But in other team consultants, will call all this as I have a material with material type FERT. So now, like that,
Mm,
you will explain. You will not say it's a finished
okay.
code. You will not say that is raw material. Like you will not say that. You will say it ROH. You will call it as
Mm,
ERSA. And again, this is customizable. Okay.
okay.
As per the requirement, you can create a ROH as ZROH. You can create a halb as Z halb. Okay. You can create FERT, Z FERT. Means, see, in SAP, whichever that starts with Z, that is a custom one,
Customers.
customized one. Whichever will not have Z, basically that is the standard SAP. Okay.
Mm, mm,
So we can also configure number of things. You can also configure the material types. Okay. You can also configure material type. The T code is OMS2. We will not be generally
okay.
using this because it is the responsibility of the team to configure and give us the material type. But
Okay.
as a like still we want to know, right? So that is the reason we need to know what is material type. Where we'll see, I'll show you that OMS2. Okay,
Okay.
OMS2. In this T code, these are all the material types that I can go and create on my own. Okay. If you click on position, if you search for FERT, for which is means finished good. Yeah, see,
Okay.
this is finished good. But see, these guys in this system, they have created multiple. If I look for Z star, if I put Z star here,
Mm,
see how many they have created: Z11, Z300, Z350, Z400, ZAS, ZAFE. the AFP.
Yeah.
So many things they are created, but we will be using the standard FERT. So metal type is our
Mm,
FERT. So there are multiple values that we can control in the material type. What values we can control? We can decide in the material master what views it should have. Okay. If I remove this view, if I remove this view from that material type, then if I
mm,
go and create a material, then that material which is under this FERT material type will not have this view.
mm.
You got మీరు మెటీరియల్ క్రియేట్ చేస్తున్నారా అంటే ఐ మీన్ లాస్ట్ టూ టు త్రీ డేస్ లో
లేదు సూర్య చేయలేదు.
ఓకే యా సో ఐ రికమెండ్ యూ టు క్రియేట్ ఎ మెటీరియల్
లైక్ లైక్ క్రియేట్ మెటీరియల్ అంటే మనం 01 ట్రాన్సాక్షన్ యూజ్ చేసి చేయడమే కదా.
ఎస్ ఎస్
అందులో వ్యూస్ ఉంటాయి. జనరల్ డేటా
ఎస్
తర్వాత
ఎస్
ఇంకా
ఎగ్జాక్ట్లీ
సమ్ బేసిక్ డేటా ఇవన్నీ
ఎగ్జాక్ట్లీ
ఉంటాయి. ఓకే.
ఎగ్జాక్ట్లీ దోస్ వ్యూస్ యూ కెన్ కంట్రోల్ ఫ్రమ్ హియర్ ఐఎమ్ సేయింగ్
హ్మ్. హ్మ్.
whatever it was selected, it was selected. Whatever is not selected,
ఓకే.
you cannot use that. You will not. You cannot see that view. Okay.
ఓకే.
So this is the that is the and, that is the configuration in the material types.
ఓకే.
Material types 170. Okay. Now, uh, what is this quantity and value updation? So this quantity and value updation is nothing but you are adding the valuation or you are adding the value to your inventory for this material
హ్మ్.
type in that plant. So whenever you are checking this OMS2 transaction in your system, you make ensure
హ్మ్.
that uh, this is updated. What is updated? Valuation area is your plant. In your case, you will give 401 or something, right? So I'll give
యాహ్!
1710 material type FERT. Just I will check here whether the quantity updation and value updation has been ticked or not. So I can say
హ్మ్.
it was not ticked, but I need to tick that. Quantity updation and value updation, I need to tick that. Okay. I have ticked
ఓకే.
that. Yeah, I have saved that. Okay. So that is about this material type. Okay, now since I am creating the bomb, the material bomb, I will take the list of I will take the first the material of material type FERT. Okay, because
హ్మ్.
because the material bomb will be for the finished good or for the semi-finished good, right? అంతే
ఓకే.
కదా
హ్మ్.
ఇప్పుడు మెటీరియల్ బాంబ్ అన్నది ఇప్పుడు కిట్ క్యాట్ అన్నది మై ఎఫ్ఏఆర్టీ ప్రోడక్ట్ ఎఫ్ఏఆర్టీ మెటీరియల్ అయినప్పుడు for
హ్మ్.
that KitKat, I need to assign milk, sugar, choco, which are all the bill of
యెస్.
material for KitKat. Correct?
యెస్. యెస్.
So for that reason, I am taking one material. Wait, I'll take uh, any one material. I'll take. Okay. Let us
హ్మ్.
pick any one this material. This is my FG finished good. So
హ్మ్.
enter that here. Plant is 1710. Right? Bomb usage. So what is bomb usage here? It means that there are few parameters that you can control. I'll show you that in the config. There are few parameters that you
హ్మ్.
can control using bomb. So, but as of now, I'm giving it's as a plant maintenance. My bomb usage is the plant maintenance bomb. Okay. Click on
ఓకే.
enter, and after clicking on enter, you will end up with this screen. So this is the
హ్మ్.
standard screen where we will assign the
మెటీరియల్.
raw
హ్మ్.
materials to the bill of materials to the FG.
ఓకే.
So what is now again here? What is an item category? Okay. See, for item category, you will have many item categories such as L, you will have N, you will have D, you will have T, you will have I. So these are all the very important item categories. So what
mm.
item category represent? See, if you are adding a bill of material, which is a stock item, you know, right? What stock item is nothing but which will be stored in inventory.
Stores. Okay.
Which will be stored in inventory. That is known as stock item. What
Mm,
is N? N is a non-stock item. అంటే అది మనం స్టాక్
okay.
పెట్టుకోమన్నమాట ఎప్పుడు అవసరం అప్పుడు కొనుక్కుంటాం లైక్
Mm,
జనరలీ కన్జ్యూమబుల్స్ we will uh, uh, we will segregate this as non-stock non-stock
okay.
item but it is a bill of material, it is a bill of material, but it is not
Mm,
stored in our inventory, so that is the reason it is a non-stock item. So if you are adding any such material, you will mention the item category as N. Okay,
okay.
that is very important. Huh?
Mm,
Yeah, and what is D? What is D? See, if you click on F4, you will find out. Okay, see, D is document item. See, not only components, we can also attach any documents as well in bill of material, any user manual, any process document, anything we can attach. Okay, so that is
okay.
known as
Okay.
document item. What is T? We will rarely use this T, but I'm saying this is PM structure element, but we will be rarely using the T. So no need you need to focus on T. What is I? I is nothing but maintenance assembly. I told you right. Here you have this maintenance assembly, PM assembly. So that
Mm,
is the item category I. Okay. Now, since we are adding the bill of material for stock items, so what we need to give here? We need to give here L. That is stock item. Okay. So
mm,
again L. I'm going to add three components. Huh? Three components.
okay.
Three I have mentioned in the three line items L L L. So what are all my
Okay.
components? So how I know the components which I need to assign? I'll go to ROH. In general, in the real cases, we will not assign a bill of material. Means we will not know right which components are needed. So client will give us.
Okay.
So client will give us see these are all the bill of material. He'll give a very huge list. For
Mm,
each material, he'll give the list. So accordingly, we need to upload the data or we need to add that in the BOM. Okay, generally upload
okay.
happens. No material is there for ROH. Huh? It should be there. No? ROH, yeah, it's there. So I'll add some materials. Okay, like these are the ROH materials, raw materials. So I'm
Mm,
going to add three raw materials. Okay, three raw materials here. So how much quantity you need? You need this is I need one quantity, piece, piece, piece. Okay, unit of measurement is piece.
mm,
Okay. So see, valid from is today because we created today.
mm, mm,
Valid to date as a default system takes as 31/12/9999. This is the valid to date.
okay.
From today, it will be valid to the lifetime. Okay. Now, so I told that we may need one quantity. So for how much quantity of finished good you need one quantity? You need to mention that, right? So
Mm,
see, for a base quantity of to manufacture 1 kg of Kit Kat, for example,
mm,
I
mm,
need I need one. This is I need one piece of this material, one piece of this material, one piece of this material. Okay, you can also
mm,
change it to kg also. That is purely
okay.
based on the master data setup. Okay,
Mm,
for example, if I go here, go to wait, I'll go to change mode. MM02, basic data 1, basic data 2, MRP1, 1710. See, additional data, unit of measure,
mm,
okay, kg, yeah, 1 kg is equal to 10 piece. Okay, I have maintained the
mm,
conversion. Now save this. Okay, now go to array, I haven't saved that. Sorry, wait. మనం సేవ్ చేయకుండానే బయటకు వచ్చేసాం. See, kg, unit of measure kg is not supported. Okay, 1 second. Why it is not supported? Base unit of measure is kg, correct? Base unit of measure kg, base unit of measure, okay. Why it is not taking 1 kg? Yeah. 001, 0010, L, 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 PC2, PC3, 1, 1. Component divided. Yeah, it should be. Can, wait, kilogram. G H J K J K kgs, kilogram, kg. Every item a component available so which is not defined item measure is checked against it. IMG global settings. This contains the meter system also check the item. Acha, okay, 1 second. We'll see that later. Na? This is not important as of now, so let it be peace. Okay.
mm,
See, for 1 kg, I need that much. This is the base quantity. So you can change here. So if you need 5 kg of this, the system you need to enter that. So based on the system will calculate. If let's say if you need for 500 kg, so for all the bill of meters we put there as into 100. Okay. So
mm,
that system will take care on that. Okay. So and I have saved this bill of material. So this is how we create for material bound. So before going to the
okay,
equipment bound and functional location bound, I will show you what are all the configs that we can do in the bill of material. So plant maintenance and customer service, master data and plant maintenance, technical objects. Okay.
okay.
See, this bill of
Equipment.
material is no more a
Mm,
technical object. Okay,
okay.
the technical objects are functional locations and equipments, and the bill of
Mm,
material is a separate thing. Okay, so bill of materials uh, define bomb status.
mm,
In the bomb status, this is always going to be one only. You don't need to worry about that. This is one only. No one will use 2, 3, 9 and all. always bomb status will be one only, where all the functionalities will be ticked. Tick box
Okay.
will be there for and description of the bomb status is also active. Means if a
Mm.
bomb is active, then the bomb status would be one. If a bomb is inactive, then the bomb status would be two. Okay. See, inactive in the sense nothing is checked here.
Mm.
Okay. So and uh, wait. Yeah, I'll come to this general data. Okay. In general data, you will have bomb usage. Okay. See, I told you
Mm.
right on the bomb usage when we're creating the bill of material, you must enter the bomb usage. So what is the bomb? What are all the parameters that we can control in the bomb usage? See, I can as a plant in the plant maintenance, always the bomb usage as a standard is 4. Okay. So whether
Okay.
that is applicable for production? No. See, minus, no entry. So if the PP guy is creating a bill of material, then he will go and he will go and take the one as his bomb usage. But whereas the plant maintenance guy go and create a bill of material, he will consider 4 as the bomb usage.
Mm.
Okay. So because this 4 will not be applicable for PP. So bomb usage 1, if you create, that will be applicable only for PP. It will not be applicable for plant maintenance.
Okay.
Okay. And see PM it has plus here. Sales minus cost reliance dot. See this plus and minus nothing but applicable or not applicable kind. Okay. So
Mm.
that control we can do that in bomb usage. T code is
Okay.
OECD, but no one will remember the T code. That everyone knows
Mm.
that. So everyone whenever it is needed, will go by path only. Okay. Next,
Mm.
define default values for item status. Okay. So based on that bomb usage, we will pick. It is also more or less the same screen, the previous screen. So for that bomb usage, we will take whether the bomb is applicable for production or not, whether the bomb is applicable for plant maintenance or not, whether it is applicable for sales or not, like that. We will tick that. See, if it is
Okay.
X, then it is relevant to SD. So that particular, but we won't look into the SD related usage, bomb usages. As a plant maintenance consultant, we will look much more into plant maintenance related bomb usage and also production planning related bomb usages. Okay, 1 and 4. Okay, next define copy value. You are getting right whatever I'm saying.
Yeah.
అంటే
Once
ఈరోజు
I practice, then I'll
ఈరోజు
come
కొంచెం
to know.
ఈరోజు కొంచెం డల్గా ఉన్నట్టున్నారు.
లేదు సూర్య. అంటే మెయిన్ ఏంటంటే ఈ ఫీల్డ్స్ అంతా కొద్దిగా డిఫరెంట్ ఉండే. అండ్ స్క్రీన్స్ కూడా డిఫరెంట్
Yes,
ఉండే.
yes, yes.
అది మనము వన్స్ ప్రాక్టీస్
Yeah,
చేస్తే
yeah.
మనకు దాంట్లో కాన్ఫ్లిక్ట్స్ వస్తాయి.
Correct, correct. Once you go through and
హ్మ్.
practice,
హ్మ్.
you will get a fair idea. Starting లో
అవును.
yes, I agree. Screens will be very new and all.
అవును.
So
అవును.
ఎట్లా మీ రికార్డింగ్ ఉంది కాబట్టి రికార్డింగ్ ప్లే చేస్తూ మీరు ప్రాక్టీస్ చేస్తారు.
మళ్ళీ నేను రెఫరెన్స్ రికార్డింగ్ పెట్టుకొని ప్రాక్టీస్ చేసేటప్పుడు అప్పుడు చూసి మళ్ళీ డౌట్స్ వస్తే మళ్ళీ
Yes,
మిమ్మల్ని
yes.
కాంటాక్ట్ అవుతాను.
Yeah, yeah.
హ్మ్.
So define valid material types for bomb header.
ఓకే.
This we won't do much. Even I didn't touch this in my entire career. This is about
ఓకే.
nothing but you can define whether material bomb can be created for materials of a particular type of each bomb usage. Which means that ఇప్పుడు నేను FARTకి నేను బాంబ్ క్రియేట్ చేశాను.
హ్మ్.
Correct. So if I show you for usage is my usage is 4, that is plant maintenance.
ఓకే. అండ్
The bomb
మెయింటెనెన్స్.
header is FART.
ఫినిషర్ నోట్స్.
Yeah.
హ్మ్.
For header, where is FART? Yeah? FART layer.
ఫస్ట్‌లో
Yeah, first is there. One is for plant maintenance. wait 1 second. For plant maintenance is 4. Metal type అంటే స్టార్ ఇచ్చేసారా? స్టార్ ఆల్ మెటల్ టైప్స్. ఓకే. చూడండి ఆల్ మెటల్ టైప్స్ వాళ్ళు దే ప్రొవైడెడ్ ది స్టార్. అన్నిటికీ బాంబ్ యూ కెన్ క్రియేట్ అని చెప్పి.
Okay.
Okay. But you can also specify for which metal types you need to create bomb. Generally, see, for raw metals, we won't create again a raw metal bomb. No, we won't create.
Okay.
So I'll do one thing here. I'll keep as a ROH here. ROH. Where is ROH? Search ROH. Material bomb. Customer. కలిగి పెట్టేశానండి ROH లేదా ఏంటి ZROH 0 ROH
మనకు సెర్చ్ ఉంది కదా కింద దాన్ని వాడుకుంటాం.
సెర్చ్ ఉన్నది బట్ ROH రావట్లేదు ZROH. Okay, but like you understand, right? What we can do here.
Okay.
So yeah. And coming to the item data. Define item categories. See, this is important. In the item categories, like as I told, L is for stock items. See, L is for stock items, N is for non-stock item, T is a text item, D is a document item, I is for PM structure element. So these are all the standard.
Okay.
See if you see here, for I, which is a PM structure element, there is a tick mark there for PM structure.
Okay.
So that system understands that is a PM structure. I'll tell you what is a PM structure and all. Okay. So that is a PM structure. And see, this item control, item category. So this particular settings we can do in item categories. But again, no one will ask us to customize this item category, because if we customize this item category in our own item category, we may end up with some issues. So we will try the business to, if there's some clients, if they ask to configure the item categories, Z item categories, customize the item categories, but we will try to oppose them. Okay, definitely we need to
Okay.
oppose. We will say that no, what is the reason that you are trying to customize item categories, but we recommend you to go with the standard item categories so that everyone will be known on that. So we will tell that always your stock item would be L, your non-stock would be N, your PM assembly would be I. So we will definitely oppose that. We are not going to create a new item category. Okay. If they come up with some specific particular reason, then we may think on that. We may think to create a new item category. But as far as for the standard functionalities, we will use the standard item categories only.
Okay.
Yeah.
బట్ ఇక్కడ ఒక చిన్న డౌట్ ఏంటంటే సారీ, ఇప్పుడు మనం నావిగేషన్ లో వాళ్ళు ఇచ్చిన నోట్స్ అన్ని మనం టచ్ చేస్తూ వెళ్తున్నాం. ఇది ఒక ప్రాసెస్. ఇప్పుడు మనం డైరెక్ట్ గా క్లయింట్ తో ఇంటరాక్ట్ అయ్యేటప్పుడు వెన్ వీ గెట్ ఎ టాపిక్ టు డిస్కస్ ఆన్ BOM, జనరల్ గా మనము వాళ్ళకి ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేసేది వీఆర్ హ్యావింగ్ 3 classifications. One is like material BOM, one is like equipment BOM, and the third one is like what it is? ఫంక్షనల్ POM. ఓకే, సో వాళ్ళకి ఓవరాల్ గా ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తాము. సో వాళ్ళ దగ్గర ఉన్నది మనం ఈ విధంగా కాన్ఫిగర్ చేస్తాము అని చెప్పాం స్టార్టింగ్.
First of all, we won't explain anything to them. First of all, directly ask them what you need. Please tell me. Please tell us what is the requirement. Then they will tell the requirement. They will not tell in SAP terminology. They will tell that I have 20 pumps. So for
Mm,
all the 20 pumps, the bomb would be the same only. So I need to have that
mm.
bomb created. They'll tell like that.
Okay.
And some equipment like compressor. Okay,
Mm,
let us
mm,
say they have 10 compressors, but
mm.
out of this 10 compressors, only few materials are same across the 10 compressors, but rest of the materials would be changing.
Okay.
So then we need to understand then in that case how we need to map that. Okay, like that
Mm.
they'll tell. They won't tell. See, you create a
Yeah, yeah. Yes, yes.
you go
Mm,
to this, you will give the equipment, you create the bomb for
mm.
it. They will not tell in that way. They will tell purely
Okay.
in the business way.
Okay.
So we need to map that as per the SAP, how SAP is given and all. Okay,
Okay.
that we will see, like what are the
Mm,
different kinds we can do that. Okay, nice. Where are we? Yeah, item categories. There are no much special configurations
mm.
in the bomb, just
People.
the
Okay.
basic configuration only. Okay. We won't touch much thing in bomb. Everything bomb. When I say bomb, it's basically
Mm.
how it's basically master data and how we maintain that master data. Okay.
Okay.
Now what I do, I'll take one equipment. Yesterday I
Mm.
created some equipments. NTPC equipment install, equipment hierarchy, bomb explosion. I think we created six, I believe, expand hole. I'll do expand hole.
Mm, mm.
Where is this bomb? Where I think we created some equipments, right?
We created an equipment అండ్ దాంట్లో మళ్ళా సబ్ ఎక్విప్‌మెంట్ జేయడానికి చేశాము. బట్ అది వర్క్ అవ్వలేదనుకుంటాను.
Actually, నేను అదే చెప్పడం మర్చిపోయాను. సబ్ ఎక్విప్మెంట్ ఆ టిక్ మార్క్ ఉండదు. Sub equipment is the same way that we did yesterday.
ఓకే.
Yeah, so there is no change and all in that. Uh, no equipments. Yeah, okay. I'll quickly create one equipment
ఓకే.
and I'll try to assign in unit 7. Okay, unit 7 లో నేను ఒక ఎక్విప్మెంట్ క్రియేట్ చేసి అసైన్ చేస్తాను. No, not one equipment. I will try to create uh, two equipments. Okay, quickly I'll create.
ఓకే.
Okay, let me take this. Yeah, so this is my uh, compressor. Yeah, oh wait, Metso compressor, huh? Metso compressor. Okay, this is my equipment.
హ్మ్.
Compressor ఏదైనా ఉందా?
చేస్తుంటారు ఆల్రెడీ కంప్రెసర్ సౌండ్స్.
Compressors లేవు, but fine. I'll put something, huh? That's no
ఓకే.
problem. Manufacturer is Metso, model number P240, location, center, yeah. Okay, organization, cost center, planner group, 1710, structure, okay, this fine. I'll save this. So
హ్మ్.
my equipment is
క్రియేటెడ్
అది
1356.
number range different. Sorry, I'll go
హ్మ్.
to get pumps only. Yeah,
ఓకే.
I don't want to different number range. Uh, Pump, yeah, Weir minerals pumps, shaft,
హ్మ్.
shaft. The from pumps. Okay.
Okay.
So I'll take pumps only. Where minerals C240. Okay. Short field. Okay, that I can give later. Cost center. Planner group. Okay. Structure. Not giving anything here. Okay. This is my where minerals pump. Okay.
Okay.
I'll create one more equipment. Okay. Uh, what is this equipment should be? This is Metso pump. Huh? Metso pumps.
Okay.
Manufacturer is different. Okay.
Mm.
I'm going a bit speed here because this is anyway the master data only, right? So
Okay. Mm.
we know that what is that.
Yeah, yeah. Mm.
So yeah. I just created quickly another equipment. Uh,
Great. Mm.
so I'll just note it down. So
Mm.
how I'll know what I have created? So I'll go to table level EQI created on today.
Okay.
Created on today's date is 16th.
Mm.
Just click on execute. Yeah, take this two.
Mm.
Take this two. Meanwhile, I'll put it in Excel here. Okay. I'll enter the Excel. Now I need to assign these two pumps in a flock. Correct.
Yes.
So H01 NTPC equipment installed equipment hierarchy. So in which flock we will assign? Uh, shall we assign in NTPC 5?
Mm.
Yeah, let's assign in NTPC this under this. Huh? So this
Mm.
change structure equipment position 01 equipment. Yeah, I just pasted that.
Yeah. Got it. Mm. Enter.
I should, yeah. Equipment category belongs to Z installation not allowed. Okay, I need to change it config 1 second.
రియల్ టైమ్ లో మనకి ఇట్లాంటి సినారియోస్ ఇట్లా బగ్స్ వస్తే ఈజీగా ట్రేస్ అవుట్ అయిపోతాయి కదా. ఓకే.
ఇలాంటి బగ్స్ స్టార్ట్ ఇంప్లిమెంటేషన్ ఉన్నారనుకోండి ఇలాంటి బగ్స్ వచ్చాయనుకోండి
Mm.
లైక్ ద వే నౌ
Mm.
we are going and checking the config in the same
Mm.
way we will go and check the config but in
Okay.
100 in development system you
Okay.
will do
Mm.
testing in unit testing client but you will
Okay.
check the
Mm.
configs in development
డెవలప్మెంట్ ఓన్లీ.
and again take back I mean again you will do the transport and all.
ఓకే.
Okay. uh, Equipment categories. Define additional business maintain equipment category. Z for
Mm.
Z for Z is there, right? For Z it is. I don't know what happened to this. Wait 1 second. Additional is register for equipment category field selection. Hmm. Status for fleet management. Functional location. Define category of functional location. Instruction display. ఎక్కడ పోయినా అసలు. Hmm. Equipment usage period. I'm a partner. Where that went. Equipment belongs to category Z. Installation not allowed. Installation of equipment. wait 1 second. నేను కూడా అసలు మర్చిపోయాను ఎక్కడ అది చేయాలో. 1 second. యాక్చువల్లీ మనకు కూడా కొన్ని సెట్టింగ్స్ మర్చిపోతుంటాం.
చేస్తూ ఉంటేనే రెగ్యులర్ గా ఉంటాయి. ఎంత ఒక్క 3 రోజులు ఆపినా కూడా మళ్ళీ కొత్త అయిపోతుంది.
Yeah, but in that case, what we can do now, we can go and check in Google also. That we can do, but I'm trying to wait. Equipment usage period, equipment status, user status profile, pattern determination, multilingual status. I'm not getting where. Okay, I'll try in Google only. Wait. IH01. Display change, express, equipment. Yeah, equipment belongs to category installation not allowed, right? 1 second. Yeah. Primary master data, define installation, equipment, equipment research period. Okay. Equipment research period. Yeah, sorry. This is the Z tick mark. Yeah. Not a much fan and so. Equipment config. Okay. Now it takes. Exit this here again. We'll go to back. Now structure equipment. Yeah, it took. Okay. Okay. Now I'll go to IH01 NTPC equipment hierarchy equipment installed tick mark NTPC 5
Unit 5.
దేంట్లో వేసాం మనం 1 second.
Unit 5.
Unit 5 కదా. Why didn't he?
వచ్చింది కదా డయాఫ్రామ్ వాల్ మనకు 4 లో వేసారా?
No.
ఒకటి డయాఫ్రామ్ వాల్ 4 లో ఉంది 73 తో పార్ట్ నెంబర్.
No, that's different.
ఓకే. సేవ్ చేసారా?
That is also a right question. Yeah. I think probably I haven't saved. NTPC 5, DM5. Yeah, correct. I have not saved. Yeah, come back, save this. Okay. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Now these are my 2 equipments which I installed in one of the functional location. Now I am going to create a bill of material for this equipment.
Okay.
Now go to IB01.
IB01 అంటే ఎక్విప్మెంట్ BOM కాబట్టి
Yes. It's
IB01.
Yeah. IB01 L. So I'm going to add the components, right?
Okay.
So I'll take reference components from one of the pump. Okay. Right. Bomb explosion. I need to take this. So I will go for 4. Just I'm taking the components. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, I'll take 74, 73, 74, 82, 84. Okay.
Okay.
These are my bomb components for this pump also. So
Mm.
72, 74, 83, 84. Okay. Yeah, four components. Okay.
Mm.
I need one, I need one, this, I need two, I need one. Click on enter. Metal does not exist, huh? Acha.
So that.
Uh, 24. Okay. What is the another component? Uh, okay, let's put this SP 001. One. Okay.
Mm.
So now I have created the material, sorry, equipment bomb. I'll save this equipment bomb. I'll go to the function location structure. I'll click on the refresh button.
Okay.
Under NTPC unit 5, under DM5, under Metso pumps. See, this
Mm.
got created now, right? This is
Mm.
created. In the same way, we can also create for uh, this bomb also. Sorry, this equipment also.
Mm.
That is anyway the normal process only. But
Okay.
I will show you what the importance of this PM assemblies and all. Okay.
Mm.
Yeah. Meanwhile, we'll create a simple equipment bomb. Sorry, function location bomb. Okay.
Okay.
So we'll create a function location bomb for. Let me pull out one function location structure. IH01. Again, equipment install, equipment hierarchy, tick mark. We'll just create for 7 compressor
Okay.
area. So for this compressor area, we are going to create a function location bomb. So
Bob.
uh, wait. So NTPC unit 7 USAG CMP. NTPC unit 7 USAG CMP. Yeah. Okay. Enter.
Mm.
Click on enter. Again, item categories are L, which are the stock items we want to enter. So for this item category L, I'll pull out some new materials. Okay, MM60,
Mm.
ROH, execute. Okay, just enter wait, or else, shall I put ERSA? I'll put spare parts only. Why go to
Okay.
I'll put spare parts only. Uh, see, see in SAP, if you want to copy a specific,
Mm.
then Control Y, drag
Okay.
that and Control C. Okay,
Mm.
Control Y, drag it and Control C. Okay, Control Y, drag it. Actually, I'm doing that only. Control C,
Okay.
drag this. Control C, copy it. Go to flock here. Enter here L, 5 items. So one, two, one, one. Okay, enter.
Mm.
Okay, now just save this. Now equipment bomb also, sorry, function location bomb got also created. Now you need to take this bomb explosion. Okay, you must take this bomb explosion in order to hit the bomb in the
Mm.
inner output screen.
Function.
So take
Okay.
this, expand the hole where we created for use unit 5, right?
Okay. Mm.
Uh, for what we created, one second. Sorry, unit 7, huh? Okay, unit 7. Where is the unit 7? See, it got created under this function location, unit 7.
Mm.
This bomb got created, right? Function location bomb. This is a flock bomb. Okay.
Okay.
Now, I will tell you one very interesting concept called from starting of the class. I'm saying,
Mm.
maintenance assemblies, PM assembly. So, what is
Mm.
a maintenance assembly, or you'll also call it as PM assembly? So, what is this? See, let us assume in your plant
Mm.
you have different kind of pumps, huh? Different kind of.
Yes.
So, what pumps? You will have
Boost,
uh,
booster pumps,
yeah, booster pumps,
submersible pumps,
submergible pumps.
AODD pumps,
Sorry.
AODD,
Oh,
air operated double diaphragm,
oh,
AODD.
AODT pumps. Okay. Okay. Let us check. These three are the different kind of pumps. But
Okay.
but for these three different pumps, there can be common spare parts. అంటే ఈ త్రీ
Mm.
పంప్స్ లోనూ మనకి కామన్ గా అవైలబుల్ అయ్యే స్పేర్ పార్ట్స్ ఉండొచ్చు విచ్ ఆర్ అప్లికబుల్ ఫర్ త్రీ
Mm.
పంప్స్. వాట్ ఆర్ దోస్ కామన్ అవైలబుల్ కామన్ స్పేర్ పార్ట్స్? Those can be bearings,
Mm. Bearings, gaskets.
yeah, gaskets, probably, for example, oil. I'll take oil as an example. Okay.
Mm. Okay.
I'll also take a shaft as an example. Okay.
Mm.
These are the common spare parts across above pumps.
Okay.
ఇప్పుడు నేను ప్రతి పంప్కి వెళ్ళి నేను ఎక్విప్మెంట్ లో నేను ఇది ఇవ్వడం కంటే ఐ విల్ ట్రై టు జనరలైజ్ దిస్ పర్టికులర్ బిల్ ఆఫ్ మెటీరియల్ అక్రాస్ దీస్ పంప్స్. అంటే వాట్ ఐ విల్ డూ, నేను బిల్ ఆఫ్ మెటీరియల్ లో ప్రతిసారి వెళ్ళి నేను ఎక్విప్మెంట్ బిల్ ఆఫ్ మెటీరియల్ నేను ఈ మెటీరియల్స్ అన్ని ఇవ్వను. నేను ఏం చేస్తానంటే
Mm.
ఐ విల్ క్రియేట్ వన్ అసెంబ్లీ. వాట్ అసెంబ్లీ దిట్ ఈస్?
Okay.
ద
Maintenance.
పంప్
Mm.
అసెంబ్లీ. నేను పంప్ అసెంబ్లీ అన్నట్టు క్రియేట్ చేసేసుకొని నేనేం
Mm.
చేస్తానంటే ఈ లిస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఈ కాంపోనెంట్స్ ఏవైతే ఉన్నాయో ఈ కాంపోనెంట్స్
Mm.
అన్నింటినీ నేను ఈ పంప్ అసెంబ్లీలోకి ఇచ్చేస్తాను. Okay, let us say this is XXXX. Okay, this is
Okay.
my pump assembly. This is not a physical material nor a physical spare part. This is just a dummy.
Reference.
This is just a dummy reference. నేను
Okay.
ఈ పంప్ అసెంబ్లీని తీసుకెళ్ళి ప్రతి ఎక్విప్మెంట్ బిల్ ఆఫ్ మెటీరియల్ అని పెట్టేసాను అనుకోండి, జస్ట్ ఒక నెంబర్ పెట్టేసాను అనుకోండి, దెన్ సిస్టమ్ విల్ టేక్ ఆల్ దిస్ మెటీరియల్స్ యాజ్ ద బిల్ ఆఫ్ మెటీరియల్స్ ఫర్ దోస్ ఆల్సో.
Okay.
Okay, so that
Okay.
particular assembly is known as maintenance assembly or a PM assembly.
Mm-hmm.
So now it is not a physical material, right?
Mm.
It is not a physical material, but will act as a reference. Reference. That reference is known as very very important. Huh?
Mm.
That reference is known as PM assembly or a maintenance assembly. So how we can achieve this? So the material type for
Mm.
this maintenance assembly is IBAU. IBAU is the material type. Okay.
Mm.
Now I will show you that how we can create and all. I will show you that. Okay. Now I will go to uh,
I had you one.
SAP logistics, plant maintenance, maintenance of technical objects, material. Okay. Create special. Okay, create special.
ఇది ఒక డౌట్ ఉంది సార్. వాట్ ఈస్ దిస్ క్రియేట్ నార్మల్? వాట్ ఈస్ దిస్ క్రియేట్ జనరల్ స్పెషల్?
Yeah, create the general is MM01. That అక్కడికి వస్తుందండి. Create special. You have multiple C. You have
ఓకే.
maintenance assembly. So in maintenance assembly is MM. T code is MMP1.
ఎంఎం
P1. P1.
P1. ఓకే.
Yeah, you cannot go and create a maintenance assembly in MM01. Huh?
ఓకే.
Definitely create in MMP1 only.
Sure.
So MMP1. See, as soon as I get into MMP1, material type other automatic aim చేస్తుంది చూడండి. IBAU.
IBAU మెయింటెనెన్స్
Okay.
అసెంబ్లీస్.
Industry sector, let's say mechanical engineering. See, as soon as I click on enter, జనరల్ గా మనకి మెటీరియల్ నార్మల్ మెటీరియల్ క్రియేట్ చేస్తుంటే చాలా వ్యూస్ వస్తాయి.
అవును.
But see, here you have only how many views? Very basic views.
1 2 3 4 5 6 views.
Normal views and
Basic data,
very
basic
basic
data.
views. So uh, description is what? Pump assembly. Pump assembly. Just basic unit of measure each metal group. That's it. ఎక్కువ ఏం దీంట్లో జస్ట్ బేసిక్ మెన్షన్ సేవ్ 341, right? So for this 341 I will create what? A material bill of bomb. A material bomb. This is very important. For this 341 PM assembly I must create a material bomb in CS01. So L So I'm assigning those whatever you told now. These components, bearings, gaskets, oil, and shaft. I am assigning. So let me go to MM16. ERSA. See, bearing, shaft, gasket, seal. I will assign. Okay. These components will assign. 4 components we will assign. Okay. Where is that material bomb? Yeah. I assign 4 components. One.
Okay.
I need 5 seals. I need this thing. Okay. Now I have saved this. Now save this. Now we created that equipment bomb, correct? We created equipment bomb. So I'll go to IB02. So for this equipment pump, I will go to IB02, enter. I'll put L here. I'll give now what? 341. You got that? You got now? నేను ఈ 341 కి నేను ఎక్విప్మెంట్ బాంబ్ క్రియేట్ చేసేసుకొని ఆ ఎక్విప్మెంట్ బాంబ్ పిఎం అసెంబ్లీని నేను తీసుకొచ్చి ఎక్విప్మెంట్ బాంబ్ లో ఇచ్చేస్తున్నాను. బట్ ఓన్లీ చేంజ్ ఈస్ ద ఐటమ్ కేటగిరీ మస్ట్ బి ఐ. Okay, that is important here. Yeah, see, as soon as you enter, you will see this assembly లో మీకు టిక్ మార్క్ వస్తుంది.
Okay.
So if you click on that assembly, you can see this list of spare parts maintained in this assembly.
Okay.
Yeah. So that is how you assign and you save this. Same case, you go for another material. Sorry, another equipment. Which equipment? This equipment. Okay. IB02 change. This equipment I gave. దాన్ని మనం బాంబ్ క్రియేట్ చేయలేదా? Acha, okay, no problem. Then I will go to create. I will just give only the 341 here. You are getting right? Or am I going a bit speed?
No. నేను ఒకసారి చూస్తే గానీ నాకు ఐడియా రాదు.
Correct. Yeah, that is. See, now I have created that. Now I will enter this. We have entered in where? In unit 5. See.
It's,
341. If I explode this
mm,
341, I explode this 341C. What I did?
same those.
I did not enter the spare parts individually. Rather, I
Mm,
used the
mm,
advantage of PM
mm.
assembly.
Okay.
So make a PM assembly color but different చూడండి. See, this 341 is a PM assembly here, pump assembly.
Yes.
Sorry, hello.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, you are following, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. So this is how we assign the PM
Create.
assemblies.
ఓకే.
You see.
జనరల్‌గా ఇట్లాంటి సినారియోస్ మనకు ఒకే టైప్ ఆఫ్ కాంపోనెంట్ ఏదన్నా ఉన్నప్పుడు లైక్
Yeah.
ఒకే పంప్ ఆఫ్ డిఫరెంట్ ప్లాంట్స్‌లో వాడుతూ అదే పంప్సే ఒక 10 నంబర్స్ అట్లా ఉన్నప్పుడు ఒకే కామన్ కాన్ఫిగరేషన్ ఉంటది కాబట్టి స్పేర్స్ అన్నీ సో
Hmm.
రిఫరెన్స్ బీఓఎం యూజ్ చేసేసి దానికంతా మ్యాప్ చేసేయొచ్చు అనుకుంటున్నా.
For in that
ఇప్పుడు
case,
మనం ఇచ్చిన పంప్స్‌లో గూడా ఒక్కొక్క పంప్ ఒక్కొక్క డిఫరెంట్ కేటగరీ. కాకపోతే వాటికి డైమెన్షన్స్, కెపాసిటీస్ వేరే
we are
కాబట్టి
assuming,
కాంపోనెంట్స్ మారిపోతాయి.
we are assuming that case. But in general,
హ్మ్. హ్మ్.
if we are assigning any PM assembly across pumps, then the category would
హ్మ్.
be same across the
సేమ్.
pumps.
హ్మ్.
But
అవును. కెపాసిటీ.
let us assume that both pumps have the same set of few components. So that is the reason we use the PM assembly
యెస్.
as assigned. So that is known as the maintenance assembly or a PM assembly.
2
Right.
ఒకటేనా మెయింటెనెన్స్ ఆర్ పీఎం అసెంబ్లీ అంటే?
Maintenance assembly or PM assembly.
పీఎం అసెంబ్లీ.
Yeah.
ఓకే.
And nothing but both are nothing but same only. So some call
సేమ్.
it as a maintenance assembly, someone call it as PM assembly. So
ఓకే.
more or less the meaning is same. The concept of how we do this thing is same.
ఓకే. హ్మ్.
Someone also call it as construction type also.
హ్మ్. హ్మ్. ఓకే.
So more or less the concept is same only.
హ్మ్.
Yeah. So that is how we do the PM assembly assignment. Now, if
హ్మ్.
I go to BOM, that the BOM screen, just end user screen, okay.
హ్మ్.
Logistics, plant maintenance, uh, and management of technical objects, bill of material, usage, mass change. We'll go to mass change. Huh?
హ్మ్.
Please enter a material. Okay. This is what mass change of. I don't think this will. We'll use this once again. Change documents. Functional location bomb. NTPC. No bomb exists. Then wait 1 second. Equipment bomb change docs. We'll just see the change docs. See, you remember yesterday for equipment categories we activated the change documents.
హ్మ్. వి హావ్ ఎ
So
డాక్యుమెంట్ ఫోల్డర్. ఆ డాక్యుమెంట్ వ్యూ ఉంది గదా! ఓకే.
అంటే ఎవరెవరు ఏమేమి చేంజెస్ చేశారు అనేది విల్ గెట్ టు నో రైట్. సో దోస్ చేంజ్
యెస్.
డాక్యుమెంట్స్ యూ విల్ సీ ఇన్ IB80. సో
హుహు.
ఎక్విప్మెంట్ దాంట్లో ఎక్విప్మెంట్ ఇస్తాము.
హ్మ్.
ఎంటర్ ఫుల్ ఫుల్ అని చూస్తే మీకు కొంచెం డిఫరెంట్ అర్థం అవ్వదు. యూ గో డాక్యుమెంట్
హుహు.
ఓవర్ వ్యూ, యూ విల్ సీ హూ హ్యాస్ చేంజ్డ్. సో ఇఫ్ యూ డబుల్ క్లిక్ ఆన్ ఆబ్జెక్ట్ ఐడి, యూ
ఓకే.
విల్ సీ వాట్ ఆర్ ద టేబుల్స్ దట్ గాట్ ఎఫెక్టెడ్.
హుహు. హ్మ్.
ఓకే.
ఓకే.
Yeah, the same way, we also have this. Same goes with the metal bomb as well.
హ్మ్.
So metal bomb, again double click, you will see what are all the changes that has made, who has changed,
హ్మ్.
changed by transaction, time, so date, everything we can
హ్మ్.
get to know from here.
ఓకే.
Because in real case, someone do go and change, and later they'll tell, though I haven't changed. someone would have.
Yeah.
Then you can just come and see here who has changed based on the user ID.
Just traceability.
Yes. First transparency, visibility. Yeah. Yes. Uh, I think structural display. What is left here? Yeah. See, there is one more T code for the structural display of equipment bomb, same as with functional bomb, functional location bomb, material bomb, everything. So the T code is IH04. Okay.
Okay.
Just you can see at the equipment level.
Mm.
Just equipment level వర్క్ ఏమేమి ఉన్నాయనేది చూసుకోవచ్చు. Where in
Mm.
IH04 instead of going to IH01 exploding everything, just come to IH04, give the equipment, and you can see. So see all the parts and all you will get from here only. So if you while you practice, you just go through all these parts, check what are all there
Mm.
here. You will get an idea. Okay.
Mm.
Yeah. So this is about a bomb, bill of material.
Okay.
Tomorrow we'll see this serial number.
Okay.
Serial number configuration. Serial number means, see, there can be 20 to 30 same pumps in a plant, but of
Mm.
different capacities. Then
Mm.
how we can map that in SAP? Prasidi Manam, we are not going to create an equipment. We will manage through serial
Okay.
number.
Okay.
So that serial number we will see, and work center we will see
Okay.
tomorrow.
Fine, Saurya.
Okay.
సౌర్య ఈ చిన్న కంపెనీస్ ఏమైనా టచ్ లో ఉన్నాయా ఎవరన్నా తెలిసిన వాళ్ళు?
Yeah, అంటే one second. Stop.